watching all the people below, and I notice that they go very slow. I wonder why they do what they do. Do they go slow forever like jam in traffic control? Oh, it's a feeling I'm under control. Oh, it's a feeling remote control. Oh, it's a feeling of over control. Whoa, 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 whoa. I watch the people up in the sky, and I'm thinking that they fly very high. But then I get to think about me. Do I fly for just a second or go slow forever? Control. Oh, it's a feeling I'm under control. Oh, it's a feeling